Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Today's video is Gits Sandwich Dhokla. Sometimes guests come without any notice, or sometimes you get up late and you have no much time to make delicious breakfast. Here is a quick fix for your breakfast or snack, that is Gits Sandwich Dhokla. With this pack, you need not search any ingredients. You just need some yogurt, little oil, and you're all set to start and make this delicious dhokla ready. This tasty Gujarat snack has a layer of Khatta Dhokla and a Khaman Dhokla joined by a layer of tasty green chutney to give all together a new and delicious treat. Now this is a pack of Gits Sandwich Dhokla. It has a Khatta Dhokla, green chutney mix and Khaman Dhokla mix ready. So first let's make the Khatta Dhokla batter. Cut open the pack and pour it into a glass bowl. Next add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Next add 120 ml of water. Slowly keep mixing while adding the water. You're supposed to add 1 tablespoon of oil, but I'm skipping as it's not really essential in this step. Instruction given in the packet is asking to bake both the dhoklas separately, but I'm going to do it together. Let's see how. First time we are going to transfer the batter, Khatta Dhokla batter onto a cake tin. You can also take a regular steel plate for this method. Take a vessel, add some water, place a stand over it, and then you're going to place your cake tin or plate onto it, and you're going to steam this for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to make the green chutney mix and Khatta Dhokla mix ready. Next, we're going to take around 30 ml of water and add the content of the packet. Mix well and your green chutney mix is ready. Next, let's make the Khaman Dhokla batter ready. Transfer the content of the packet onto a glass bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 120 ml of water. Mix well. See how fluffy the batter is. By now our Khatta Dhokla would be ready. So onto this layer we are going to spread our green chutney mix. After spreading the green chutney evenly, we're going to add the Khaman Dhokla batter on this and let it steam for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the seasoning ready. Add a pinch of hing, a tablespoon of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, finely chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of sugar, little water, and your seasoning is ready. By now our Khaman Dhokla would be ready. Let's pierce a knife and check whether it is done. See how fluffy this Khaman Dhokla is. So now let's add the seasoning. And here is your delicious sandwich dhokla ready. Let's cut them into squares or rhombus shape depending on what you like. Surprise your guests or family by just doing this in 15 minutes. If you like this recipe, then click like and also share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. This will encourage me to make more such recipes for you. Thank you.